day has come because I have waited for the surface to dry up. You see, the roads are not wet because my OCD won't let me drive if the roads are wet. Oh. Nice. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. You know, this windscreen, it doesn't do anything. I mean, it's just for the sier, as we would say in the Dutch. Just to make this bike more beautiful. So, a winter ride. Who would expect that? I didn't. I thought it would only rain. But God bless me. God had blessed me, and He decided, let's give me some dry days. I miss the sound so much. So last week I turned 26 and I bought myself a present, and it was a DJI Osmo Pocket camera. And the reason I bought the camera was because the 30th of December I'm going to Austria, a place where I'm always going because my mother has a house there, and yeah, I thought it would be great to make some content there. So do a little bit of vlogging. Because I thought it would be nice to take you also with me in my life. I mean, you're most likely here on this channel because I'm driving different motorcycles. But I thought I also want to do some lifestyle content. So if you're new here, I should recommend you subscribing on my channel. So when I'm gonna upload the new videos, you will not miss out. And I want to thank everyone that is watching my videos, because we hit the 2000 subscribers and that's just insane, because I started this channel in 2023, but I didn't make a lot of videos at the time. I most started at when I dedicated to make good videos. I started in March 24, and from then I had 145 subscribers. And yeah, that's just insane what can change in a year. So thank you very much, guys. It's 7 degrees outside, and I mean, I'm packed all up, so not feeling a lot of the cold. But I know that if I will drive too long, then I will start to freeze. So the last couple days I did only go to the gym and go to work, and it was kinda sad because there were a lot of days where it was only raining and the weather was just so bad, like you saw in my previous video. And I was really depressed. Not that I want to die, but those days, you know, your mind was just so dark. Couldn't think about anything. Just like I just wanted to have some beautiful days. That was the only thing I could really think of. I mean, this day also it was pretty cloudy today, but yeah. When you're driving a motorcycle, you're happy again. Because when I did get my bike from the garage, I was so happy. Couldn't stop smiling at that point. Well, there has happened a lot this week. I mean, previous week as well, because my garage is closed. Oh, got it that. Well, there has happened a lot this week because last week there has found an explosion in The Hague, and it was a pretty big one because 6 people has passed away and 4 people has been wounded because there were some people that thought let's blow up a whole apartment building. And the weird thing is it came out of nowhere. I mean, underneath the building there was a bar, and I think there was just some sort of drugs lab going on. I'm glad that I'm not involved in such things, because the underworld is so dark, you don't want to be there. So praying for the people that has lost their loved ones. Pretty sad. especially before the Christmas. There were some dry days, but it was really cold. It was actually freezing. And here in the Netherlands they are throwing salt on the road. Yeah. If salt touches your bike, that is just catastrophe. Oh yeah. This is my school, my high school. Graduated 2026, which means it's almost 9 years ago, or is it 6? Yeah, it's almost 9 years ago. It's just insane how fast time is going. I hope when I'm watching this footage back that you can see something, because I put the shutter speed into auto, because normally I'm filming in 4K 30 frames and then shutter speed 1/2 60, because that gives some cinematic footage. But now because it's dark I decided to put it in auto, otherwise you won't see a thing. Well, it's a long time ago that I drove on my motorcycle, so I'm used to my scooter. And we're allowed to drive on the bicycle lanes. So that's why I did. Also, my left earplug is out of my ear. But I mean, it's not bothering me now, because we're not driving on a highway. So I can listen to the beautiful sound of this engine. I don't want to accelerate too fast, because it's pretty dark now. I know there are dying a lot of morons because they're driving too fast.